Currently, we have no power on Epiphany. All the batteries have died. And you can see the wiring for the solar panels dangling, where it all got ripped loose back here. So I'm in the process of reconnecting the wires. I just connected the set for our main 275 watt panels. Reconnected them, and they are producing, so that set of solar panels survived. And now I got to go back here in this mess and finish sorting wires out and get the other ones connected and see if they survived. When this dinghy David collapsed, all the solar wires were run down this support post, and you can see down here where they pulled out of our deck boxes and all. But I think that's just a matter of screwing all that back in once I free these wires up from the zip ties that hold them and get enough lengths. These two pulled right out of the connectors. I'll have to fix that. Some of these connectors just pulled loose. So once I sort out which wires go where, I've got them marked. We'll see if these solar panels function like the other two. So we've got all our solar panels hooked back up. See wires running everywhere. This is just temporary. Get us some power. You can see I've had to do kind of a makeshift repair with some hemostats. I can't get in there to get that hot enough to solder. I'll figure something out. But temporarily I got a hemostat there and a hemostat there holding those wire connections. So let's go inside and see how we're doing. Booyah! Yeah, I know it says ACR, which is a battery fault, but they're cycling as they build voltage. There's one trying to come back online. And yeah, there's one trying to come back online. And there's the other one trying to come back online. So, success! Our solar panels are working and we're building voltage. Slowly getting power back on Epiphany.